Hello everyone, this is me, Rich Pin. I have a letter from one of my loyal viewers. Her name is Xenia Peterson. She's working on a Saturn S series. She thinks she has a leaky heater hose. She doesn't know where the clamps are on each end. And before she replaces it, she would like to know where they are. So we're going to get in there today and we're going to show where the clamps are on both hoses. Now here are the heater hoses that go right into the core. Here's the firewall right here. Here's a spring clamp for one hose, and here's a clamp for the other. Now if we follow this one over right here, it comes over to this metal pipe right here that goes up to the expansion tank. Now if this hose is bad right here, what you have to do is you have to cut this clamp off. This is a crimped on clamp. You got to cut it off and not nick the pipe underneath it. And then what you do is you get your replacement hose, and then you can use a screw clamp, worm type clamp, to replace that one right there. Now let's look at the other hose right here. It's a S shape right here. If I can show you right. See that hose right there? It goes right up to the intake manifold. And there is another spring clamp that secures it up there. So you can see that this is a very short hose. Let me see if I can get a little closer here for you. Here's the whole hose right here. There's one end, goes right up there, up to the intake manifold. So this would be a very easy hose to replace as opposed to that other one. Now let me show you the tool that will make removing these spring clamps a lot easier. Here is a hose clamp that is the same design as the one on the Saturn. It's a spring type clamp. Now to remove it, you can take a regular pair of pliers, but see how difficult that is? You gotta open it way up. You can do it. Much more difficult. Slip joint pliers might be a little easier. So you can adjust your width of your pliers, but see how it's very, see this jaw down here, how she likes to slip off. Now here are the pair of pliers that are made for this type of clamp. Open that up. You can see right here we have a ratcheting mechanism that will hold it in the closed position. This piece will go over here like so. And let's open it up all the way. Lock that in there like that. See the mechanism right here? Now watch this. I gotta hold it tight just in case it flies off. See that? See my hand is off of it? I think that's about as far as you can go. Yeah. And normally what you'll do is you'll squeeze it all the way as as much as you can until she can't go anymore, and then you can take the clamp off. And so those are the tools that you'll need to remove those spring type clamps. Xenia, I hope I answered all the questions that you had for the heater hose. Alright, see ya. Thanks for watching.